Today's another day, last day to try to get this XJ going. Got the stuff done yesterday, took all day, 11 p.m. The front lift kit. Now I'm doing the extended brake lines. I had one brake on the front left. Let me show you how I've been fixing this one. Okay, right there is the one I had to heat up. So it's loose now. So I'm going to finish taking this off, but that's the one that kind of goes down and then into the wheel well. You can see how it broke off right here. Alright, let's go fabricate this line. It's end of day 4, so this is when I thought I'd finish everything. The lift is installed. Last minute trouble I've been trying to work with is getting the brakes bled. So with the new stainless steel lines up front, where they go into the union to the hard line, I just couldn't get those tight enough. Redo a double flare on the driver's side. Really torque it down to get it to stop. Got everything together, bled, except for the right rear. So that's the one I ended up getting a new wheel cylinder for because I can't seem to get that one cracked open. I'll try it again another day. But for now, the lift's installed. I think I'd like to just paint these front wheels black, just like I did with the rear wheels. It's probably drivable now. The brakes are not as great because there's still some air in the right rear, but looking good. It's been kind of raining on and off today. Coming down pretty decent here this last couple hours, so pretty much done for the day. Had to buy a new double flaring because that anvil for the 3/16 was broke. There's a little stem on these anvils that go into the brake line. I had to run into town to get another one. So I had to buy a whole other kit. Coming to the end of it. Done, but not done.